Dongguan X-Power Intelligent Technology Company Limited, established in 2020, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, and sale of renewable energy solution for e-mobility and energy storage industry. Our ambition is to be unparalleled in meeting our customers' needs for green, smart, high-efficiency, renewable energy solutions that reduce energy consumption and the impact on the environment. We keep improving our management level continuously. Our factory strictly implements the ISO 9001 quality management system. All products comply with RoHS directive. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including galvanometer, laser welding machine, CCD, comprehensive battery pack testing equipment, etc. Now we have 5,000 square meter workshop and more than 73 well-trained employees. In addition, we have obtained RoHS CE certificate for our products. Dedicated to strict quality control, cost-effective solution, and thoughtful customer service, made our products sell to worldwide market such as US, German, Italy, Japan, Belgium, etc. At the same time, we subscribed $1.5 million global product liability insurance for our products. OEM and ODM projects are warmly welcomed. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, welcome to contact our professional sales team about your sourcing requirements today.